To integrate Apple Pay two-factor authentication, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and has the latest software updates installed. Next, go to the Settings app and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap Add Card and follow the prompts to add your credit or debit card. Once your card is added, go to the app or website you want to use Apple Pay with and look for the Apple Pay button. Tap the button and review the payment information. Then tap the Pay button to complete the transaction. For two-factor authentication, you will need to set up Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode on your device. To set up Face ID, go to the Settings app and select Face ID and Passcode. Then follow the prompts to scan your face. To set up Touch ID, go to the Settings app and select Touch ID and Passcode. Then follow the prompts to scan your fingerprint. When you make a purchase with Apple Pay, you will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This adds an extra layer of security to the transaction and helps prevent unauthorized access to your account. It is also important to note that Apple Pay uses tokenization to secure your payment information. When you add a card to Apple Pay, a unique device account number is created, which is used to make payments instead of your actual card number. This helps to protect your card information from being compromised. In addition to two-factor authentication, you can also use other security features such as notifications and transaction history to monitor your account activity and detect any suspicious transactions. You can view your transaction history in the Wallet app and set up notifications to alert you when a transaction is made. By following these steps and using the security features of Apple Pay, you can help to protect your account and prevent unauthorized access to your payment information. It is also a good idea to regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank or card issuer.